Here's how in Proloquo2go you can add a folder, an existing folder, to a different screen than the folder is currently in, leaving it in the original folder as well. So I'm in my son's little home page here, and I'd like to add, let's say I'd like to add a folder to go directly to animals here. So I'm going to hit the edit button, the pencil on the bottom, and the pop-up shows me a plus sign and a plus sign on a folder. The plus sign would add a button itself. The plus sign on a folder is to add a folder to this screen. I'll click on that, and I'm given the option for a new folder that I would have to populate, or link to an existing folder, or duplicate an existing folder. So the difference there is linking to an existing one is going to tie them together so that changes to that folder's contents in one place will also occur in the other location you have it. So it's in two places at once basically. And duplicate existing folder creates a separate but equal copy of that in this location, and then if you change it here, the changes won't be reflected in the other one. So I'd like to link to an existing one so that the changes, if I add an animal, it'll show up in both places. And then I get a search functionality on the bottom here where I can search for animals by clicking in the search box, and I'll type animal and hit search, and then I've got a variety of options to look at. I'm just going to take the top level animals one here and choose folder to link, and then I can say next, and then I'd have options for that folder. Do I want to change the folder itself? Do I want to have the button label being something different? Do I want it to have it open in a pop-up or not? Currently it's defaulting to no, but I would like to, I think, see that in a pop-up. Now I can hit done, and my folder has been added. I'll hit the done button at the top, and now when I hit animals, it gives me that full animals page, and I've got the close functionality of a pop-up. So if I hit close, I'm going to go right back to that page. I could have it in a non-pop-up window as well, of course. And that's how you can add a link to an existing folder onto a new screen.